Dumelang. Yeah, you know what? If you have been watching videos on this channel, thank you so much. If you are watching this for the first time, thank you. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads. Or should I say, Dumelang, welcome to Setswana class. Today, I am going to be teaching you guys a song that I think if you are somebody who is paying attention to the world of athletics, you would know that there's a song that was playing recently in Gaborone if you were watching the World Athletics relays. What am I saying? So if you're watching relays, which we call Mabilo, Mabilo, but yeah, I'm forgetting my Setswana. So this is the song that was played. It's not only a song for Mabelo, it's a song for it's a victory song. I don't know why it became a victory song because it has nothing to do with that, but it was adopted into like soccer, football celebrations and stuff like that. It's also like a choir, which is like a big thing. Choirs, traditional Setswana choirs, sang the song before. If I'm not mistaken, and it was adopted into the music, and now this song is as old as anything. There are, let me see, how old is Litsi Latabo? He probably was very young when this song came out, okay? Because I remember that, and I was young too. So he probably was really, really young. But now, every time you see Litsi, the song should come to your mind because what people are singing. And the song is called Thobane, which is like a stick or a, yeah, one of those things, a staff, Moses staff kind of a thing. You are biblical, you are Christian, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, basically that's the name of the song. It's called Thobane, staff, stick, whatever you want to call it. Olamu, which is also another word for it. And I'm going to be translating, I'm going to try to translate for you guys what the song is all about. And if I'm translating it to you, don't worry, you are not going to feel the intensity of it. Okay, so I'm pretty much ruining it. Let's get to the song. So basically, they are saying, you know, your this. I'm assuming this is like I'm just gonna put it in a competitor's side of a thing. Okay, translation it says, "Bagolo ba re ntakgolo ke a molomo," which is like a saying in Botswana. This is why I think Botswana have not had any internal wars because believe that ntakgolo ke a molomo, which is like, you know, the biggest battle is fought by having a dialogue. So he's just basically saying, you know, our forefathers or our parents are saying the greatest battle is having a dialogue. But we have had so many dialogues and we tried, it has not worked. So now take the stick and basically unalive them. And yeah, that's hopefully I'm doing justice to the song. And Paulo Motswana, maybe shut this down. Don't watch because I'm going to be embarrassing the whole country. And I'm going to try to direct translate it for you so that you guys get it. But then, depending on how far you are with your Setswana language, you would then understand the layering of it. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, take the stick and teach them the rules, teach them the manners. That's basically when you're telling the competitors, you know, like, this is not time for dialogue. This is Litsile. He's going to run as fast as he can. Okay, he's going to dominate the games. This is when the soccer team, this is the Zebras, the national team of Botswana is playing. It's like, this is not a dialogue time. This is the time to show the real stuff. This is the time to face the consequences. And the Zebras has not been doing so well. So I guess we only sing it when somebody has won. Okay, so yeah, it's a celebration song. This is what do you call it? Is this a metaphor? What is this saying? It's yeah, it's method. Now this song is very deep. This is like levels to this, and it's the depth of it. I cannot direct translate it because it's not saying what it says. It's something that someone would say, and then you have to be translated. What is Please help me down in the comment section. Okay, this is where the comment section helps. If you're Botswana, come back. Teach us. Okay, let's see. So what he said in that second line, he's saying like, "Ngwana yo sa utu molo wa batsadi, uta wa mano." So basically, if a child is obedient to, or is not listening or taking the parents' advice, he will take everyone's advice. Or Anong is like a vulture. Like, you know, vultures, they are always up there looking for things they can devour. So, hey, there's like lots of layers to this. So this is why I cannot. I feel like I've done videos like this and people were coming hard for me. So comment section, help me in the comment section. So yeah, that's all I can say. Let's see. So basically, I cannot direct translate this one, but I'm gonna translate it for you. He's just saying, like, you know, when somebody's heading the kettles, okay, I'm going in with the direct translation. Back in the day in Botswana, when somebody was heading the cattle, so yeah, heading whatever they are heading, they would like mark a territory to like, okay, this is where my animals are grazing. So nobody should actually cross the line. So it's basically saying these guys were not paying attention to what their parents are saying. We have tried the dialogue, has not worked. They have crossed the line. Now it's time they face the consequences. Yeah. This is bad. This is bad. This always happens every time I try to like do a song, I guess. Tsaya Thobane, oh Tsaya Thobane, wena o ba bolaye, o ba rute molao. Yeah, it's basically repetitive like that because it's a joyous song. Like you can look at them, they're smiling, they're dancing. It's basically just for games, okay? Yeah, I'm just gonna stop it there because one, I am not super equipped to dissect this whole thing one by one, but you get the gist of it, okay? So whenever you hear the song playing, they just know that they're saying, you know, it's not time for dialogue. There's time to go in for the prize. Oh, this is bad. Thank you so much for watching this video.